Over time, Gmail fills up with newsletters, promotions, old conversations, and before you know it, you've hit your storage limit. So let me show you the secret shortcut to delete everything without selecting page by page. First, open Gmail on your computer. This trick works best on desktop and not mobile. Now select a message that you want to delete. In my case, I want to delete all messages in social. So I'm gonna click social. If you want inbox, promotions, or what, you can do that too using this step. So as you can see, we have 500 plus messages here. Now click the checkbox at the top to select all the messages on the first page. But wait, we want everything, not just the first 50, right? So tap this blue text saying select all 545 conversations in social. Now just click the trash icon, confirm, and boom! Gmail will start deleting all selected messages. And that's it. No need to scroll endlessly or delete messages one by one. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips made simple. See you in the next one.